This lovely tour introduces you to the traditions and crafts of Madeira, along with its glorious flowers and wine. You'll begin by visiting Funchal Market, an integral part of life on the island. Wandering around the colourful stalls, you'll see an array of tropical fruits, unusual vegetables, vibrant flowers, and local crafts. Next, you'll visit Camacha, the centre of Madeira's willow craft industry. Here you'll have some time to browse the showrooms and maybe purchase a souvenir. Enjoy some light refreshments in Camacha before visiting one of the island's leading embroidery factories. See the beautiful examples of handicrafts while sampling some famous Madeira wine. Finally, you'll enjoy a brief stop at a local wine lodge for another opportunity to sample some of Madeira's most famous export.